Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Jira releases with release versions and fixed versions, complete guide step by step clearly. To update Jira releases with release versions and fixed versions, begin by logging into your Jira account. Navigate to the project where you want to update the releases. In the sidebar, select the Releases option. This will take you to the Releases page for that specific project. To create a new release version, click on the Create Version button. Enter a name for the new version in the appropriate field. You can also add a description to provide more context about the release. Set the start and release dates if applicable. Once you've filled in the necessary details, click Save to create the version. Next, to associate issues with the release version, click on the version name. This will open a detailed view of the release. Scroll down to find the Issues section. Here, click on Add Issues to associate existing issues with this release version. Use the search function to find specific issues you want to associate. Select the issues and then click Add to link them to the release. Now, to update the fixed versions for specific issues, navigate back to the project and open the relevant issue. In the Issue view, look for the Fixed Versions field. Click on the field to edit it. You can select one or more fixed versions from the drop-down menu. If you need to add a new fixed version that does not exist, you can do so by clicking Create Version within the drop-down. Enter the name and details for the new fixed version and save it. After updating the fixed versions, ensure to add relevant comments if needed. Finally, review all the changes made to ensure everything is accurate. You can now track the progress of your releases and associated issues effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.